Now here the question is number of factors of 2 to the power 15 into 3 to the power 10 into 5 to the power 6 which are either perfect squares or perfect cubes. Now we know that all the factors of this number, they can be expressed as 2 to the power 0 plus 2 to the power 1 2 square up to 2 to the power 15 into 3 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power 1 up to 3 to the power 10 and then 5 to the power 0 plus 5 to the power 1 up to 5 to the power 6. Now here we have 16 elements, here we have 11 elements and here we have 7 elements. Now first we'll find number of factors which are perfect squares. Now for perfect squares we need even powers for these numbers. Now even powers for 2 will be 2 to the power 0, 2 square 2 to the power 4 up to 2 to the power 14. So it will be 7 and 1, 8. So there will be 8 such values and then for 3 it will be 3 to the power 0, 3 to the power 2 up to 3 to the power 10. So we have 6 such values and then for 5 it will be 5 to the power 0, 5 square, 5 to the power 4 and 5 to the power 6, that is 4 values. So it will be 8 into 6 into 4, that is 192 numbers. So there will be 192 numbers which are perfect squares. Now for perfect cubes, we must have power of 3. Now how many powers of 3 are possible? For 2. For 2, the powers of 3 that we can have is 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 6, 9, 12 and 15. So altogether, we have 6 such numbers. And then for 3, it will be 3 to the power 0, 3 cube, 3 to the power 6, 3 to the power 9. That is 4 such values. And then for 5, it will be 5 to the power 0, 5 to the power 3 and 5 to the power 6. That is 3 values. So it will be 6 into 4 into 3. And that is 72. So we have 192 perfect squares and then we have 72 perfect cubes. Now we need to subtract all those numbers which are both perfect squares as well as perfect cubes because they are counted twice. So we need to remove all those numbers which are perfect squares and perfect cubes. For that we must have powers of 6. So for 2 it will be 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 6, 2 to the power 12. For 3 it will be 3 to the power 0, 3 to the power 6 and then for 5 will be 5 to the power 0 and 5 to the power 6. So we have 3 such numbers, then 2 here and then 2 here. So it will be 12. So total number of factors which are either perfect squares or perfect cube will be 192 plus 72 minus 12 and that comes out to be 252 and that's your option D.